welcome to San Francisco. Local time is about 10 minutes to 8. We'll be taxiing for a few minutes. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all carry-on stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. When you leave, please make sure you have your belongings. Use caution open the overhead compartments. You may not use the transmit mode on your handheld devices. If you are continuing on to another United destination, please check the United
folks,
mobile
back
app.
in the Bay Area.
On behalf of this flight crew, the Airlines, the United Airlines, I'd like to thank you for United for your flight this evening. We realize you have a choice of airlines, so we appreciate your business. Have a good night.